Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're learning how to close and reopen Trello boards, a vital skill for effective project management. First up, let's close a Trello board. Go to the board you want to close and click on the board's title. Select More from the drop-down menu and then Close Board. The reason we do this is to keep our workspace tidy and avoid clutter from boards we're not actively using. Now that we've done that, here's what's happening behind the scenes. The board is not deleted, but is moved to a hidden area of Trello. This helps us because we can reopen it later. Next up, let's reopen a closed board. Go to your Trello homepage, and in the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Select Closed Boards from the drop-down menu. Find the board you want to reopen, click on it, and then click Reopen. This step is important because it allows us to retrieve our old work and continue where we left off. Let me explain why this matters. Trello is a dynamic tool, and knowing how to close and reopen boards gives you control over your workspace, allowing you to manage your projects more effectively. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to close and reopen Trello boards. Remember, the key is to keep your workspace tidy and reutilize your old boards when needed. Happy project managing!